Hello everyone, this is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to fix can't type in Windows 11 search bar. So first you need to right click on your taskbar and click on Task Manager, and here you will see several options. You just need to go to Services right here. And now you need to click on Open Services in the right corner of your screen. So it will open something new in your screen. You just need to search for Windows Search right there. So if you right click on it and you cannot see anything enabled, you need to go to Properties, and here in Startup Type you need to select this option, Automatic Delete Start, and you need to click on Apply, OK, and you will be able to restart here just like that. Wait until this gets restarted. And after this, you need to go to Control Panel. So you can just press Windows plus R and type Control there and enter. So here in Control Panel, make sure that the view by is on small icons so that you can view all the properties here. Here you will need to go to indexing options, double click on it and click on this advanced in the middle. Here you will see an option called delete and rebuild index, and you will see rebuild. Click on that and click on OK. It will start indexing. So after it has completed its indexing, it will show something like this. After the indexing is completed, you will need to do one last process, which is you will need to go to PowerShell, type PowerShell here, and you will see this option. Click on that and it will open something like this. And here you will need to type these three commands. So I will put these in the description below. So just copy them and paste them in this PowerShell. So just like that, and click on enter. So now again, the next one is this. So copy and paste. Click on enter. Now the last one. After this, restart your computer and your problem should have been fixed. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.